Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I am your SST teacher Afshin. Today I am going to tell you about the famous or great personality of history, which is Sir Syed Ahmed Khan. He was a great Muslim scholar and reformer. Now let's talk about his biography. He was born on 17 October 1817 in Delhi in a noble family. He wanted that Muslims should educate themselves with the Western education. He devoted his life to impart Western education to the Muslim. He also wanted to remove the understanding between Muslims and Britishers. Now let's talk about his education. He got his education from his maternal grandfather Khwaja Fariduddin. Later, he acquired excellence in the history, mathematics and medicine. He had also been introduced to some of India's most able writers. Now let's talk about his journey to England. In 1868, he went to England and visited different institutions. The University of Cambridge impressed him the most. This visit provided him an opportunity to think over and gave a final shape to his plan to establish new institution in India. Let's talk about his honors. He worked as a Governor-General of Legislative Council. He was appointed as a member of Public Service Commission. The government of India at that time given the title of Sir to him. He was made a Knight Commander of Star of India. And the great scholar and leader died on 27 March 1898 at Aligarh, India. Here are some quotations. He said that, "Call me whatever names you like. I will not ask you for my salvation. But please take pity of your children, do something for them, and send them to the school, lest you should have to repent by not sending them." He also said, "Man himself is his own greatest teacher." Now, time for the home task. Prepared a list of educational institutions established by Sir Syed Ahmed Khan and send me on my email address, which is afshinsimab@gmail.com.